2019. This is a state-of-the-art facility donated to us by Mr. Richard Weeks. He owns a dredging company called Weeks Marine. Our students are doing internships there, co-ops. They're also taking full-time positions there. And Mr. Richard Weeks, who is an alum of Rutgers School of Engineering, also donates a scholarship to our students every year. Some cool things in this building, you'll see right at the bottom right, we have an urban and coastal water system lab where our students are doing things like testing stormwater for nanoparticles, microplastics, and they're also treating wastewater right here in Richard Weeks Hall. We have a drone lab. Here. We have a robotics lab. We have a manufacturing lab in this building. We have a transportation lab in this building. So it's so many cool things that you can do right here in this building. And then we also have a bunch of other buildings as well. We have a student project studio. And in this student project studio, you might have seen this if you parked on lot 54. It's probably, if you walk this way, the student project studio is the opposite way. Inside that student project studio is the home of our Rutgers Formula Racing team and our solar car team, where they're building an electric vehicle and a solar car to race at intercollegiate competitions across the world. So they build these cars and actually take them and go race in them, just to show the progress. They also look at things like sustainability. So if you're an environmental engineer, you can also contribute to these projects. If you're an electrical engineer and you want to work on motherboards and circuits, you can also contribute to that project. You do not have to be a mechanical engineer to be involved in these type of projects.
As I can into the communities that I thought that would be more inclined with my values, my interests. So I'm also a dancer on the side, so being involved with the dance community and getting to know more people there, and just being able to see those same types of people each week is kind of grounding, especially when you're in the midst of all your classes. Things get very hectic sometimes. So being able to go back to those communities as a place of, I guess, release, stress relief, also just being able to talk to those people about.
Okay, great. We're gonna break you into groups in the room. So my ambassadors are gonna lead you to a table in a certain amount of groups. In those groups, that will be your team for the day. So you're gonna you pretty much have a team. That'll be the team you work on. And we're gonna have a game where there's gonna be a picture. We're gonna put a picture up on a slide. You're gonna guess what type of engineering it is. We're gonna give you a scorecard. You're gonna fill out which one you think it is. And